Black holes, often hailed as the architects of new universes. Yet these mysterious forces may also bear the potential to obliterate everything in existence. It's a mesmerizing paradox within the realm of astrophysics, these mighty celestial entities. Fancy reality. Imagine a black hole forming within fancy reality. Imagine a black hole forming within scenario too disastrous to comprehend. But fear not. There might be a shield defense against such cosmic behemoths, Hawking radiation. A theoretical prediction that plays a crucial role in our understanding of these cosmic, ready to unravel an intriguing and complex concept. First, we'll explore the potential methodologies of annihilating a black hole. Our first stop takes us to the realm of Hawking radiation, a theoretical prediction named after the famed physicist Stephen Hawking. This theory paints black holes not as entirely black, but as emitters of minuscule amounts of thermal radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. Imagine, if given an ample amount of time, a black hole losing more mass from this radiation than what it gains from the cosmic background, leading to its gradual evaporation and ultimate disappearance. The next method of potential black hole destruction is quantum tunneling. This process involves particles escaping the black hole by tunneling through the event horizon, a notion that stems from the principles of quantum mechanics. While the feasibility of this method is still under scientific debate, it provides an intriguing possibility in our quest to understand and potentially neutralize black holes. Lastly, we'll discuss the potential of using antimatter. Antimatter, as name suggests, is composed of antiparticles, which have the same mass as particles of ordinary matter, but opposite charge and properties. In theory, if a black hole were to consume antimatter, it'd lead to its annihilation. However, it's also important to note that these methods are purely theoretical and practical application is far from reality. Nevertheless, the practicality of this method is questionable given our current technological limitations, and the potential consequences of antimatter interaction with a black hole are largely unknown. Intrigued by the idea of destroying black holes? Then, I have an invitation for you. As we navigate the universe and its mysteries, it's worth taking a moment to delve deeper into the enigma of black holes. I've crafted an entire video dedicated to exploring what might lie inside these cosmic entities. This video takes you on a journey, a deep dive into the theories and mysteries surrounding the interiors of black holes. Could there be an entire universe inside? Is it possible that each black hole is a gateway to another reality? These are questions that have fascinated scientists and enthusiasts alike. So before we proceed further into our exploration of black hole destruction, take a detour and immerse yourself in this fascinating topic. It's a journey you won't want to miss. And once you're done, come back here and join us as we continue our exploration of black holes. Continuing on our journey into the potential of destroying black holes, we ask, how can such an idea be substantiated? Observations and detections become our compass. Devices like the Subaru Hypersuprime Cam and the Rubin Observatory Legacy Survey of Space and Time are our guides in this exploration. They conduct surveys of the Milky Way's galactic heart with the potential to spot bigger black holes. This, in turn, may shed light on their smaller counterparts, offering valuable clues into the potential destruction of these cosmic entities. So, to summarize, black holes are not simply cosmic destroyers. They could be destroyed themselves through methods like Hawking radiation, quantum tunneling, and the use of antimatter. The study of these theoretical methods and ongoing observations is pivotal in exploring this possibility. And while the idea of black holes consuming our universe might seem terrifying, it's important to remember that science is still unraveling the mysteries of these enigmatic entities. As we continue to observe, detect, and study, who knows what astonishing secrets we might uncover about black holes and the nature of our universe.